Okay, next we will have some example of how we can use the knowledge of this learning unit 2 in solving the problem of organic synthesis. For example, if a question asks something like this: synthesize the following compounds using reagent of 6 carbon or less, meaning you are given this compound, but how are you going to use what you have learned in Learning Unit 2 in order for you to synthesize this compound? Okay, what we can do is, first we do retrosynthetic analysis. This is what we call as retrosynthetic analysis, meaning we go backward. Okay, now we have this alcohol. Okay, we can produce this alcohol because this alcohol, we can produce this alcohol from this ketone. As you know, this is tertiary alcohol. You always know that tertiary alcohol can be formed from a ketone. Okay, this ketone, in order to form a tertiary alcohol, it can be react with Grignard reagent. So this is Grignard reagent. So this is ketone. So what happened? This arrow here means reverse, made of. This arrow here means made of. Okay, now we have the Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent can be made of from alkyl halide. Okay, so this alkyl halide can be made of from alcohol. Okay, so how do we do the transformation? It is like this. This is what we call as forward reaction. Forward reaction. Okay, we start from the back here. We know that we can make, we start from alcohol. Okay, in order to produce alkyl halide from alcohol, we react it with PBr3 here, phosphorus tribromide, and then we will get an alkyl halide. So ethyl bromide, and then when we react with magnesium turning in ether, it will give us this Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is now reacted with the ketone, and then we add some ammonium chloride with water, and then it will give us this. Okay, let's take a look at another compound. So this is also tertiary alcohol. Okay, tertiary alcohol. So do you still remember how are we going to make tertiary alcohol? From ketone, yeah? Okay, let's take a look. We can also make it from ketone, or another alternative is using ester. So tertiary alcohol can be made from ketone or ester. So the previous example just now, I've shown you how to make it from ketone. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to make it from ester. So this is the compound. This arrow means made of. Okay, this is an ester, and then you know that when we have ester, if we want to react Grignard reagent with ester, we need to have 2 equivalent of Grignard reagent. So this Grignard reagent can also be made from alkyl halide. Okay, this is the retrosynthetic analysis. So what about the forward synthesis? Okay, so when we have alkyl halide here, okay, we react with magnesium turning in ether. So we will get Grignard reagent, and this Grignard reagent we react with the ester, and then in addition of ammonium chloride, we will get the final compound as grown. Okay, next we have a tertiary alcohol as well. Okay, so how do we synthesize this compound? Okay, so this tertiary alcohol, it can be synthesized by reacting carbonyl compound with alkinide, yeah, sodium alkinide, and this sodium alkinide can be made of alkyne. Okay, so what we have here, we have ethyne. So ethyne, when we introduce sodium nitrite, what happens is that this H C triple bond, because this is a very strong base, so it will abstract this proton, so you will get this compound. Okay, what happened? This compound will attack this carbon, and then the electron from here will move to the oxygen. Okay, after that, this compound will give O minus, and then here is this part, CH. So when we have ammonium chloride, so this O minus will abstract one proton from the ammonium chloride and will give you a tertiary alcohol. So that's the end of this video. Happy learning.